Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. So Gail, what are we going to make today?
Today we're going to make these 3D winter scenes. I think they're really cool looking.
That's nice. I like it.
Thank you.
All right. So before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breaths to get us ready. So we're going to pretend we're going to be a tree trunk and raise our arms up high. And then we're going to breathe in and out and make our tree branches sway in the wind.
All right. And Peggy, I have a little injury, so my tree branches are going to be a little lower.
Okay, that's okay. Whatever you can do is fine.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so we'll start with making our tree trunk. Breathe in and then breathe out. And keep breathing and make your branches sway in the wind. Okay.
Nice.
All right. So what supplies do we need today?
Okay, so today what we're going to need is paper, scissors, glue or tape, markers, white paint, and a paintbrush. So very simple list of supplies. All
right, so how do we start?
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take some white paper, if you have, it could be any color really, but since it's snow, we're going to probably use white. And I just cut mine like a snowbank.
Okay.
And it's the same size as the paper I'm putting it on. And then I glued it down on the sides.
Right, so there's my snowbank.
Great, and so just add your glue.
Or actually, I could use the other side that I cut.
Yeah, either one. Good idea.
Okay, let me get my glue.
And just do the sides because you're going to want to slip your trunk in there. Either way.
I forgot about that, but I think it'll work.
It'll definitely work. So it's going to look like this. Okay. And we've already pre-cut them, but you're going to cut a tree trunk. Mine's about 5 inches high. Great. And then you're just going to slip it into the snowbank.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, like that.
Yeah, good. And then the next part, I like this part. I'm going to bend my tree trunk down a little bit to do this part. If you want, we're going to tape our branches on. Okay. You can use a glue stick if you want, but make sure you hold them down. So just tape the branches around in the middle. And they can be various sizes, various thicknesses, whatever you'd like. Mine are about probably 6 inches long.
One of mine is really long.
Anything goes, Peggy.
Okay. So you tape the branches all around the inside of the tree?
Yes, and I'm just going to do 3 right here to show. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest later. Okay. And then I'm going to glue my trunk over the tape, the top of the trunk. Or you could tape it over the tape, either way. Okay, so it's going to look like this.
I'll show you mine.
Great. And then I'll show you a couple ways to do the branches. This is really fun. One way you can do it is you can take the branch and just keep twisting it like this, and then tape it at the bottom. And it will look like this once it's taped. Oopsie.
So where did you put the tape, Gail?
I put it right at the bottom of the twist. I'll show you.
Okay, gotcha.
Like this, Peggy.
Gotcha. Okay.
You have another idea of how we could do branches?
Yeah, so I did one like you did, Gail, with the twist.
Okay.
And then I was thinking the other thing you could do, which I've done before, is you could take a paintbrush or a pencil and roll the tree branch around the paintbrush or your pencil, and then just let it go, and you have a curl.
Oh, that's nice too. Yeah, that's a good way to do it too.
Right, yeah, you can do it different ways.
Yeah. And so when I finish mine up later, you can see from my sample, I did lots of branches in different directions.
Right, I like that, and doing it all different ways.
Yeah. And anything goes, there's no right or wrong, just do it however you'd like to do it. And so I'm gonna move on to the next step, because I know we're gonna keep working on ours after. The next step is I decided I wanted to add a little bird to the branch. So I pre-cut a little bird. You could draw anything you want on the branch. You don't have to add anything, just anything you want to do.
And I like, Gail, how you also added a snowman. So yes. I pre-cut some snowman shapes to add.
Oh, great. So I stuck my little bird on the branch.
I like that.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm going to add another snowman too. And you can draw on the snowman. I cut a carrot out of paper, but whatever you want to do.
Right. What's nice is you can create your own winter scene with whatever you want to add to it.
Yeah. And then for this one that I'm going to do today, I'm just going to add one little extra thing because I love glitter. So I actually have some white glitter, and I'm going to put some on some snow at the bottom, so it looks sort of sparkly. So see how it sparkles?
Nice, right? And then did you do paint also?
Yes. So in order to do the snow, I used the back of a paintbrush to do my snow. You could also use a Q-tip or anything you want to do. I just dipped it right into my paint. Or you're using a bowl of paint, right?
I was going to say, or I use a lot of times for paint the lids of like Tupperware containers.
Yeah. So however you want to do it. And then I just made dots of snow all over mine. And I put mine all over the tree, on the branches, however you want to do it.
These come out really pretty.
I know, they're really, really pretty. I love it.
And it's simple.
Yeah. And so here's mine. You can see the snow can go any way you want. Oh, that's really pretty, Peggy.
Here's mine, partial. I'm going to do lots more snow.
I am too. I love it.
I do too. Well, I'm going to keep making snow, but I want to say, I hope you enjoyed our winter scene activity and that you also have fun creating one yourself.
Yes, and if you'd like to see some of our other craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Okay, bye. Have fun.